Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and host daily events on your Discord server? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you're already logged in into your Discord account either on your browser or your application. And once you've done that, all you need to do is head into your server, click on events and click on create event. Now you want to simply go ahead and set up where your event is going to happen. So for me, it's going to be a voice channel. You can choose any voice channel like right here. Simply go ahead and click on next, and then you can simply write your event topic and your description. So as you can see, there is going to be event frequency, but there's no daily event frequency that you can choose right over here. So unfortunately, you will have to do this every single day. What you can do is simply copy the event topic and description and just save it on the notes. That way you can just paste it and then just click on next and just host it every day. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.